wearing my glasses here because I am about to introduce our next guest, and his title is a little bit lengthy and I don't want to get it wrong. Dr. Mian Riaz is here. He's the director of the Texas A&M Engineering Experiment Station's Process Engineering R&D Center. Did I get it right?
Correct.
I got it right.
Yes.
I got it right, so I can take these off now so that I can actually see you. How are you today? Thank you for being here.
Thank you for the invitation.
Absolutely, I appreciate it. Talk to us a little bit about what is the Process Engineering R&D Center?
Process Engineering R&D Center is the oldest center of Texas Engineering Experiment Station.
Really?
It was established 1929.
Goodness.
The first name was Cottonseed Lab because Texas grew a lot of cottonseed and the farmer needs some help. Then, of course, after working with the cottonseed, we started working with other oilseed crops. The name changed to oilseed processing.
Okay.
And then when you process the oil seeds, you have oil and you have proteins, and therefore 1970s there was a shortage of proteins. They changed the name to Food Protein R&D Center.
Okay.
And since that, until 2016, we have, our name was Food Protein R&D Center, but then we changed our direction of research, and also with the new demand from the industry, we changed the name to represent the better services called Process Engineering R&D Center.
Okay.
We do a lot of different things for the industry, for state of Texas, for USA, and for international people. Basically, we process all kind of oilseed crops, soybean, cottonseed. The oil you use to cook every day, we process them for our industry people. We also refine, bleach, and different kind of animal oil. If you heard about emu fat, we process emu fat for the industry. And we also do a lot of processing of pet food, snacks, and also we do it tortilla chips, and we talk also people making it vegetarian meat. And we do also teach people how to make aquatic feed. Therefore, basically, we have a lot of different services for the industry. Recently, we've been working with the algae, biomass, and we are trying to process that for biofuel industry plus some energy industries. Therefore, we are on Riaz campus. We had 5 buildings, and each of them is unique because nobody else has that kind of facility in anywhere in the U.S. university.
Really?
Because we have a complete pilot plant for extrusions, we have complete pilot plant for that extractions, and we have complete pilot plant for the membrane separations and fats and oil. And every day we have some clients visiting us either from the US or from Texas. They want to do some work. Therefore, just example, yesterday we had a person came in, they have some kind of plants, they want to extract rubber. Therefore, we'll be processing them for that. Therefore, we also provide training to the Texas companies. They comes here, as well as some of the people from other states, and we do it to teach them how to make a different kind of pet food, especially on hands. Therefore, we'll be in the pilot plant demonstrating them and also processing them. And we have people there, I mean 50, 60 people every course that we will do it every time, yes.
Goodness.
And people comes learn about new technologies. People come to learn about new innovations that we can help them. And we basically work with the small industry all the way to big industry. You can name any industry in the US, especially the food and feed industry, we have worked for them. We also working with the local state of Texas companies, all that. And we have very good relation with all these industries. If any crisis comes, we will help them. Just recently, we have some of that in Houston. The flooding came in. Therefore, I got a call and we collected 5 tons of pet food to give it to the shelter so that they can feed in Houston all the pets which was affected by the flood.
That's
Therefore, we have also relation with that other equipment companies. Some of them are basically would like to donate their equipment. So therefore, that's why we have quite a few selection of equipment in our pilot plant. And we do it almost every day, different. That's the beauty of my job, is that we go and we work every single day something new.
Well, and I was going to ask you, what is it about this work that interests you?
Yeah, because this is something not that you go somewhere which you do the same thing every day. Here you go there, and I got a call today and tomorrow that we have this new ingredients, we have this new product that we like to make it. Like for example, recently there's a lot of things going on about plant proteins. They want to, proteins going to be very soon get run off, and therefore they're trying to find alternative source. And therefore we have all kind of lentils, peas, fava beans, their proteins to convert them into a meat application. Therefore we are basically converting them like a real meat that can be used in the hamburgers as vegetarian meats. And similarly for the animal feeding, we have also running our protein. Therefore now we have a insect proteins that we are working on it to get that insects, and the people bring that and we process that protein for them. Therefore we are trying to find all the unique sources of different proteins that we can get, and then will be applicable to the food or feed industry, because very soon, you know, there is going to be some of the shortage of the animal protein basis, and people are also very hesitant, some of them because of that health reason, because of some other reason they do not want to use animal protein, therefore they want to do some plant protein.
Well, it definitely sounds like you don't get bored.
Yes.
There is no way,
Correct.
because it sounds like you said, it's something new and
Yes.
different every single day. And basically what it all comes down to is making sure that there's proper nutrition for all of us
Correct.
across the board.
That is correct. We do a lot of work, and then we basically try to find a unique way and try to find it underdeveloped ingredients that we can use that also to be utilized for some of that applications.
Fantastic. Engineering.tamu.edu. Look them up. Get more information on how this works. It's
Thank
just fascinating. Thanks so much, Dr. Riaz. I appreciate you being here.
Thank you very much for the invitation.
Absolutely.
Thanks.
We'll be back.
Okay.